A fake friend is more dangerous than your enemy. An enemy attacks you from the front, but a fake friend strikes from behind. They smile at you while secretly wishing for your fall. Their betrayal cuts deeper because it comes from someone you trusted. Protect your peace. Not everyone who claps for you wants to see you rise. Stay alert, stay guarded, and let wisdom be your shield. Stay strong, stay focused, and never give up. If you agree with me, type yes, it's true.